In this video, I'm going to show you how to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So if you're given a line that's graphed and they want the equation, you need to remember that all linear equations can be represented in this format, y equals mx plus b. This is called slope-intercept form because there's four letters here, and besides the x and the y, which stay put, the m and the b represent the slope and the y-intercept of this line. So if you know the slope and you know the y-intercept of a line, you can write the equation of that line. So like I said, y and x are going to stay as y and x. We're going to change b to be the y-intercept of this line. So we're just going to go right here. The y-intercept's where it hits the y-axis. So our b is positive 4. And m represents the line's slope. So to find the slope of a line, we need 2 points. I already have one. I already have the y-intercept. So I just need to find one more point on this line. I'm not just going to pick a random point anywhere in the world. I'm going to pick a point that lines up nicely with coordinates, like that one. It lines up nicely with the 2 and the 5. And the slope of a line is found by finding the rise and the run. So in this line, the rise is 1 and the run is 2. So our slope is 1 over 2. Our equation of this line is y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Let's try another one. This line here, y equals mx plus b. The b is the y-intercept, so in this equation it's 3. And the slope is, I have 1 point. I need to find one more point. Can't go that way. Must need to be this way. Not seeing a good second point here. It looks like that one. It looks like the only one that lines up nicely on the coordinates. So then I'm going to do my rise and my run, making a triangle. My rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope is 6 over 5. Remember, when you're writing the slope, you always want to write it as an integer, so like 2 or -3. And if you can't write it as an integer, then you should write it as a fraction that's reduced to simplest terms. And if it's greater than 1, then you should write it as an improper fraction, not as a mixed number. Let's slide down and do this one. Here's my 2 points I'm going to use. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals, my b is -5. My m, my slope is down 3 over 3. Down 3 over 3. So remember, when you're going down or when you're going to the left, those are both negative directions. So make sure you indicate that as such. So I went down 3 and to the right 3. So my slope is -3 over 3. That can be simplified. -3 over 3 will be reduced to -1x minus 5. If your slope is 1 or -1, you don't have to write the 1. So you might see people write it like this, -x minus 5. And that's how you find this equation of a line in slope-intercept form.